say, Captain?
It's raining again. And it's 63 degrees in summer in Crappie, Illinois. It's not a beautiful day. But we're going boating. Well, this isn't good. I get a code for the DEF system. So now I gotta take it into the dealer. They think it's a DEF pump. What a way to start out the weekend. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pretty rainy night we had last night. And everything got wet up top, but we're enjoying some coffee.
And some tea.
And some tea. Sitting down watching TV. Some horse race over in England. But hopefully the weather's going to clear out for us. We had pretty good storms overnight. And our friends, our family is over at the campground here at Lithia Springs, so we're going to go over and have some breakfast with them, and we're hoping to do some fishing today. Could be some storms coming in later, but hopefully they'll go around us. So we'll see how that works. Here we go, we're going to try her again.
We got the pro with us now.
Let me show you what I'm using here. 4-pound test Shakespeare ultralight with a nice chartreuse jig head. I think an 1/8 ounce. Let's get some fish. Another drum. Well, the drum like the worms.
That one's a little bit bigger.
Looky there. He swallowed it. Nice little drum.
You wouldn't even try it.
And that's 2. Finally, a fish not skunked for the weekend. Hauls up 6 fish to 1.
But who's counting? Ooh! Look at that!
Crappie fishing in Shelbyville. They're hard to come by if ever getting them. Of course, I've only got 1.
Hang in there.
We're working on more.
Yeah! Oh, that is a nice one.
You gotta catch some fish. Two trees on the hillside of the mountain.
Hey! Oh, look at that!
That's a nice crappie. The drought is over. That's
Look at
number 3. Let's
that.
see what he measures at.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Come here. You little crappie.
What do you gotta tell him? Now quit!
Now quit.
Oh.
Quit.
Are you getting this on film?
Oh boy. 11 inches.
Nice!
Prize of the day. Nice. We're gonna let him go. There you go. Bye-bye, little buddy.
Aww.
Thank you, little fishy. Taters. I'll take the air fryer.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. On the table over there?
Good morning to the happy Husky travelers.
I just put it right on the cooler.
Good morning, Maria.
Good morning.
Good morning, Trevor. Morning.
getting the breakfast in progress?
I am.
Yay. Thank you. The puppy's first boat ride. Olivia is here sleeping. Mom and Paul are at it again with us today. Yay! Captain.
Going for a boat ride. If we have to pull out, take her home.
What?
When boating goes bad,
Woohoo!
who do you call?
Your best friends that are fellow boaters.
Ghostbusters. Billy and Lori to the rescue.
Yeah.
We got the Titan HD hooked up to her. So we got her dropped off here, the kind folks here at the Bob Brady Chrysler Ram Jeep. We've got a nice brand new Jeep to take home. And they're gonna get the Dodge ready to go. So hopefully we'll get her back soon. Let's get this thing home. So if you like what we're doing on our videos, make sure you comment, like, or subscribe. See you next time.